Great morning student, hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4 using mail merge. In business as well as in the official matter, we is often needed to send letter with smaller information to different people. Okay, so the letter require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So you can see in this picture this type of format we need. So changing the address each time would be a very long process and wastage of time and effort. Okay, mail merge feature of Word 2016 is used to combine a data source which contains all the address with the main document. Okay, so it save our time, what are the feature, and energy to send letter at multiple addresses. Okay, data source, what do you mean by data source? Data source consists of the mailing list. You can see that is a list, for example name, address, city, pin, telephone number, etc. Numbers. Now the data is originated, organized in tabular form along with the field name. Tabular form in table form में the data source is associated with the main document. Means combine किया जाता है एक main document के साथ. So it is field name can be used in the main document and it become easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Let's know more about this thing. Field is a, what is a field? What do you mean by field? Field is a column in the data source that contain the one type of information. You can see name, address. Name contain only name, address contain only address of the particular person. Record is a row. What is record? Record is a row on a data sheet. Number of field make the one record. Okay, main document. Now next topic is our main document. It contains the text that we wish to send the old recipient. Means there is a main document. Merge field. So it is the data item such as the name, address, city, pin, telephone number, etc. Okay, so which instruct the Word 2016 about where to insert the data source, name, address, information in the main document. Mail merge involves 3 basic steps. So what are the? First is creating a main document. Second is specifying the data source. Third is merging the data source with the main document. So only 3 points are the main in mail merge. Let's now more. The data source can be created in the Word 2016 database file, or it can be created another application like MS Excel 2016 या Access 2016. You can prepare your data. First is creating a mail merge document. So how can we create mail merge? To create a main document, follow these steps. Firstly, create a new document and type a letter, or open the existing letter in the Microsoft Office Word that you want to send to different people at their addresses. Okay, which message you want to send to the different people, then you type, click on the mailing tab, go in mailing tab, choose the start mail merge option, group, there is a group, mail merge group, click on the start mail merge drop down menu, select the step by step mail merge wizard option, then step by step wizard will be appear. You can see task pane appear on the right side of the application window. You can see. Now select the letter radio button, select the document type section, click on the next starting document wizard step. Under the step 1 to 6, there is how many steps? There is a 6 step at the bottom task pane. So firstly, choose the type of the set up your letter. Click the use current document radio button under the select starting document section. Okay, so next option is click on next, select the recipient under the step 2 of 6 section. Now take